just realized that you can't let go. It's something about me and you. So let me stay here a little while.
Alright everyone, I'm doing a new series and it's going to be a bit different to the other stuff. It's construction based and I'm completely making over this home. Not just me, but there'll be people coming in. The owner of this property has a construction business, but it's more landscaping, and he wants me here just to manage the job. But people will be coming and going, and I'll be here on my own some days, plucking away at things. Other days there might be 10 blokes helping me transform this house. Now, I'll show you around. We're still doing a lot of demo, but walls have been ripped out. Things have happened that I haven't had the chance to film. This is my first day here, so I'm going to be here for the next 3 months or so. I am getting paid hourly to be here. I haven't quoted any of this stuff, so filming, that's going to be a second priority to actually doing the work, because I'm not getting paid to film, I'm getting paid to be a builder, so that takes priority. I will film around. I might film at the end of the day. I'll have time lapses running. I can afford a couple minutes here and there to set up a time lapse. But yeah, the tutorials will be lacking, but I hope you enjoy the transformation of this place, and hopefully you can watch and learn. And yeah, I hope you generally enjoy, and as always, if there's any questions, leave them in the comment section. I do get back to those. And other than that, let the fun begin. Alright, I'm just gonna go room by room. Sorry if I lose you guys. There's a lot going on here. Underneath this floor you can actually see stuff that's not dirt. That's actually the ceiling of the cellar. This area here is going to become an ensuite and a walk-in robe. Ooh. This wall here will be coming out. These little nib walls will stay. There's an attic up here. This is the master bedroom. As it stands, the bed will be here, so access is getting relocated. Obviously new plaster. This fireplace is going to get a makeover. As you can see, these acro props are holding up the roof, and some walls have been removed. And we're going to replace the entire roof with trusses so that these props can go, and this can be a really big, beautiful, open living area. And you should see the floors as well. They're like a trampoline. Let me show you the kitchen area. So this will be the new kitchen area. Upstairs is a bedroom. This is another bedroom. This will become a bathroom. This room here was built in the 40s, and it's pretty much the best room in the house as far as condition wise. Beautiful ceiling. This property's been used as a commercial kind of area for, I don't want to give away too much information, but it hasn't been used as a house for a while, so it was kind of more office spacey and community based. So yeah, we're gonna transform it back into a house. This is another room. We've got our laundry to be built here. Another bathroom. Second living area, which we've demolished today. The stairs are going to move forward, so that way we can put a door at the top of the stairs, turn that into a bedroom. So that's down here pretty much. Now this block is on 10 acres, so there's a bit more on this block than just a house. So this will be another bedroom, some cupboards in there, and so to put a door across the top step, we need to build a landing out here, which means the stairs have to move forward. So that'll be a fun job. So this is the room we demolished today, and we're moving outside now. A bit going on. Man cave just here. Alright, so just past those trees is the main house and the man cave. And here we got this big shed. I think that's gonna get demolished. It's a bit run down and it doesn't even have a concrete floor, it's just dirt, so not worth keeping. The owner does want to run his landscaping business from here a bit more, so I think a new shed will get built. This will get turned into a bit of an office. It looks like an old stable that's already been converted a bit, but still needs some love. So we got daylight coming through and water damage. And this isn't the priority, but it's on the list. So a bit of a workshop space there and amenities in here. So there is a river, I think, that runs through the back of the property. All this land as well is part of the property. Big old water tank, and there's just a few sheds dotted around. There's obviously that shed, and that shed. I'm a bit overwhelmed with how much has to happen, so I can't exactly remember what's going on and what's staying and what's going, but it'll all reveal itself soon enough. This driveway's been added in because the entrance off that main road is a bit shit and dangerous. So that's just like a side street, much safer, easy going. So that's in. This is the back side of the man cave. That room there was the one with all the timber in it. So on this side of the house, we got our master and that little attic with that window there. You would have seen us demolish this pergola, the living area there. That concrete kind of patio is getting decked over the top. And then yeah, kitchen and that bathroom in that little area. Now down in here is the cellar. That'll be underneath the ensuite in the master, but the power has been cut, so the pump is not working and it's full of water. But not much to see down there, it's just a small room. So this is the other side of the house. Master there, attic. That pergola is going, and your living area is in there. Alright, it's currently May, and the owners want to be in by August, so it's about 3 months, 12 weeks. Now I will be away for a couple of weeks for my honeymoon, so it gives me about 10 weeks to get this place livable, obviously with the help of some other trades. And this is on a 10-acre block, so I'll be calling this one the 10-week, 10-acre turnaround. So I hope you guys enjoy following along. It's going to be such a transformation in this place, so stick around, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.